Punan Honor Game. Isa ng rarunong opo. Wag ganyan. Wag nang ganyan. Opo. Rarunong hapon.
Nico.
He got a little bit of speed from the plane. And 12 the fastest thing in the universe is not a plane or a rainbow, it's light. So I'm going to put you into this device. Then select. Use a light or
Sarado ng pinto.
Does it work, bud? Because I'm gonna call you Define Blue. Mackerel, that was fast. I could not even see that. Just pick up your camera. $25,000 my goodness, Blue. It's not fast enough. So instead of light, we must do.
Kanina pa kita tinatawag eh. Bakit ang tagal mo pumunta rito?
We're gonna race it on this racetrack, but you first gotta be a little faster.
Okay lang ba kapatid mo?
This door was an upgrade for food.
Mabuti naman, umpisan mo ng kain. Tara, kain.
So that really say open the light bulbs? I mean, one. Then we got the second one. Nice. So we're gonna hop them down. Okay, yeah. And then we gotta turn on the last one to open the door. Oh. Unexpected. All right, Pooh. I'm gonna get you an upgrade. I just don't really know what it is yet. Oh no. His shadow, Pooh. All right, buddy, you look kind of evil, but we're gonna need that. Come on. Out racing. Then,
Kamusta naman ang klase nyo?
You can stop that.
Kasi mistake.
Try again, buddy. Try again. And go.
Ikaw, mag-aral ka. Hindi yung puro landi at barkada lang buong mabuti.
Alright, let's see if you got more speed from that race.
Magandang gabi, mga mag-iingat ng iyan, nauwi at mag-adyan lang.
Mag-iingat tayo. Huwag na munang delikado na.
That's pretty fast. Okay, let's see.
Bumalik na naman yung pay. Dati kasi nung mga bata pa kami, ang dami kasing tao ang naghihirap ngayon. Kaya wala na silang magawa kundi gawin ang hindi tama para lang kumita ng pera.
Alright, let's keep you on this hill. Pick up something really fast. See, I knew I had a plan. I just put you down here. Really fast. Drop the eggs. Yes. Grab these logs over here. How do that work? You get a
Nahanap na ng mga pulis yung nahuli yung leader, kaya nagkawatak-watak na yung grupo.
I was gonna say, yeah, another one. Going. Come on. Yeah. Alright, cool. One more. Let's see.
Nahuli na din sila.
Ooh, open the fire. Okay, fire is pretty fast. Well, let's cook food. Is that bad?
Kamusta na kayo?
Could be bad.
Ay, tatay.
May dala akong manok dito para...
Kamusta na?
Oo eh. Uy, narinig na ba yung balita? Umabot na daw dito yung pito
Opo.
Nakaso ah.
Opo na,
Mag-ingat
tatay.
kayo. Lalo ka na, Nico.
Oh, that's pretty bad. 1,000 miles an hour. Ooh, that's really fast, something, buddy. But tornadoes, oh man, that's really bad.
Tatay,
That's really
oy.
scary. But they're all really fast, so...
Nang salita ng
you know what? I'm
hangin.
and tornadoes. Yoink!
Ng balita.
Sige na, tutulog na ako.
Makakain na ulit tayo ng manok. Ang tagal. Huwag muna natin. Sige na. Lock mo na lahat ng pin. Huwag kang magpakalit sa labas ha. Sige na.
We just kind of fire tornado with this water. Like, is this food? I don't think so. I'm myself. Going to the water and cannon. There you go. Fire! Oh, did it work? Shrinking? But no, there's another one over here. Okay. Number 2. Shrink it, because we're gonna find one more. Let's let's see. Is it at the top? How to find tunnel 1 room? Yes. It's all gonna work out, guys. Come on. Hey, the tornadoes go! Oh, look, Boo. The tornado's so small. Can I get you? Ooh. Tornado boom. Oh, yes. Now we are gonna be FAST. Oh, yeah. Wow, look at the fire. What? That's crazy. How many miles an hour was that, huh? 100,000? 900,000 speed? It's crazy. Check this out. Agent is also here. God, though. Is this like a clock machine or something? Oh, wait a minute. I get an idea. Cool. We're gonna find the clocks. Let's go back into the house and find the first one. It's like a stopwatch. If there's no time, you can be infinitely fast. Oh, yes. Here you go, buddy. Alright, I think you ate that. That's a little weird. But as French people would say, a bon appetit. That was kind of cool. Now, anyway, I got another clock, everyone. I want to see if Pooh can get 1,000,000 miles an hour. Here you go, buddy. That's right. Stuff that in your face. It sounded bad. Didn't mean it that way. I want to be friendly, okay? Here we go. We got the last clock. Coming in. Everyone stuff it. Here we go. Ooh. Kicks up the clock. Okay, what do we do now? We place Pooh on the dial, maybe? I don't think that works. Wait a minute. It's working. He's spinning. What? No. What are you, man? It's like a clock or something. Okay, this is weird. Now, please, can we get you nice and fast? Whoa! Oh my goodness! That was crazy, Pooh! We can't even see it! We literally can't see 1,000,000 miles an hour. Oh! She likes it. She's even gonna rain! Ooh, check it out. You got a red! And a world record speed! Now, guys, watch this video that's great, and we will see it.
Kids need help to counter one height growth. Give them the new Ascender Kid from Wyatt Nutrition, the only formula with growth plus advantage.
Nico.
Alright, let's fly this thing. That looks Ariana, by the way. What is that all about? Come on. Super paper plane. Rockets. Oh, yeah. Might be a little better. Let me see about the plane, of course. How we go? Oh, this thing is flying like crazy. No. Blood. Oh, my. Maybe we also have to upgrade the slingshot. Does that make a difference? Let's see if it does. Oh, that makes a big difference, actually. Holy moly.
Kanina pa kita tinatawag eh. Bakit ang tagal mo pumunta rito?
Look at this. Way earlier.